Hello everyone. So today is 25th of December and today is Christmas Day. Dipit and I both are going to the park. Dipit will play cricket. I'll ball there and he will hit the sixes. I'll show you. I'll record the video. I'll show you. I am very near to the park. Dipit is going to bat. Now I am going to throw the ball. Let's see what he will do. This is a very nice 4 runs he has hit. Now you can see Dipit is again going to hit 4 runs he has hit on the straight drive, and now he said to me that he want to go to the Sureshwari Devi Mandir, and you can see Dipit. So you can see Dipit is sitting backside here. Dipit is sitting, and I'm riding the bicycle. So we are inside the BHL park, and now we both are going to the Sureshwari Devi Mandir. Here you can see every child is engaged in playing, whether he is small, big. Everyone is so much interested in the games. So now I am today with my bicycle. I'm riding the bicycle with my hand, one single hand, and in another hand I'm holding my phone, recording the video. You can see here for the employed women's. This is a hostel in BHL, and this is the Shiv Hanuman Temple, Sector 3, H Haridwar. So this is a very beautiful place. Whatever you think should have is already having here into this campus, BHL campus, and the environment is so fresh that we cannot compare this place to any other place. The reason is here we are. You can see there are a lot of trees here, right? And if you go 1 kilometer ahead from here, you will see the forest will start, where we are already having so much trees, and wild animals are also there. So whatever is there, the facility in this Haridwar, that is uncomparable to any other place. Now you can see. Another park is there. So Dipit is saying that. That is the Jayanti Park. So Dipit is saying that you can see another park, that is the Swर्ण Jayanti Park. It is a very big park, and Dipit used to come earlier into this park. He used to play on the elephant slider. Yeah. Yes. Yes. In this park there is a bodyguards. Yeah, he is saying that there is a guards in that park, so that outsiders cannot come into that, and that is totally dedicated to the BHL employees, where BHL children can play. But Dipit managed that, and he used to go inside the park and enjoy a lot. Yes. So he's saying that thieves are not allowed. So this is fine, because whatever he is saying, yes, thieves are not allowed anywhere, right? So now we reached near the Peeth Bazaar, and as today is 25th December, so all the shops seems closed. Most of the shops seems closed because people are enjoying the Christmas day, and there is also very less traffic on the road. Dipit washed his hand. Now the pastry is ready to be eaten by him. He's so excited with that one. Now he's happy. So wow, what a nice taste this is having. This is fantastic. So guys, we came outside because Dipit was feeling so much cold inside the canteen. So he told me that he want to go into the sunshine. Now he can enjoy. He didn't wear the jacket and the sweater. That's the reason he was feeling so much cold inside. Now he has taken his bat also, because Dipit is a very good boy. He used to help me a lot, and he is a very intelligent boy. So whenever I ask anything, I say anything to Dipit, Dipit used to help me always. So because Dipit is saying to eat, I'm going to the canteen. So for that white pastry and so guys, you can see the freshly made chow mein and white pastry for the Dipit. He is enjoying a lot with chilled water. Now he's having today is Christmas and he enjoying a lot because he wake up today a late at 11 a.m. in the morning he wake and he didn't took the bath today. He directly told me that dad I want to go outside today to have a fun. He went to the Sureshwari Devi Mandir. No, actually we were going there, but in between he told me that he don't want to go there because he has not taken the bath. So we have decided that we will roam here and there to the park and we'll have the cricket match. He played there and then he told me that he want to go to the canteen. Now you can see he's enjoying this a lot. You want to say something? How are you enjoying? Good? Only good? You're enjoying only good? Super. He's enjoying. So he want to just have this and after that he'll